top it with chocolate cake that I made. And you're gonna do the same with the cheesecake. Perfect. And now that you have all your ice cream pick, you're just gonna cut both of them all the way down. I'm going to turn this one to have it like easiest way to cut it. And remember that you're gonna rise a little bit after, so we don't want two big slices. And we're gonna do the rest. So hop here. Beautiful, look at this, amazing. So let's take one. We're gonna take the chocolate and we're gonna dip it straight in the pancake. The chocolate cake inside pancake batter. Remove it from the pancake batter, just the excess. Beautiful. And you're gonna put it into the oil. So once the cheesecake here is done, just take it and let it drain on the side, same way as the other one. And we're gonna do same, but instead of pancake batter, I'm just gonna dip my cheesecake inside chocolate. So we're gonna have some are fried, some are not. And we're gonna do the same with the chocolate. Perfect. See, let's just drain the excess of chocolate. Remove a little bit the bottom. Beautiful. And now my favorite part, we're just gonna top this beautiful cake. So I have here some chocolate. This one, some salted caramel. For this one, we're gonna do some strawberries on the top. The actually good thing about this one is you can top with anything that you like. So I'm gonna choose some strawberry here and some raisins on the side. For this one, we're gonna do Oreo. And as we love Oreo, we're gonna put some crushed Oreo all the way to the top. For this one, I'm gonna take some mini marshmallow. Perfect. And I'm gonna put it at the top here. Perfect. And for the mini marshmallow, I'm just gonna brulee it quickly. Beautiful. For the next one, we're gonna do some pecan. There you go, you can crush them. For this one, we're gonna dip it directly inside coconut. Beautiful. And we're not gonna stop there. I'm gonna take some cotton candy. I'm gonna put on the top right here and finish with a tiny, tiny little strawberry. For the next one, we're gonna do some whoopers that I just smash. And this one, just a whooper and a half one to finish beautifully. I have here some caramelized popcorn. That's gonna be also a really, really nice crunch. You're gonna have the popcorn flavor. And we're gonna go to the final one, which is gonna go with pecan as well, because caramel and pecan works beautifully together. Perfect. And now we have our beautiful dessert. So we're just gonna put the dessert on a plate, ready to eat. I love it.